Hey guys, how you doing? A little unusual today. I had this video in my head for a while now, and it will serve two purposes. One, it will test the capabilities of the Victorinox knife, that's saw and knife, to see how well it performs cutting. And another one, I don't see a lot of traps video, how to make traps, and I wanna maybe try it and share with you guys. For me, in my opinion, the easiest one to make, and that's a dead trap. It's pretty much all you need is piece of wood, sampling, cut into 3 pieces, do the notches what I'm gonna show you, and get a big rag, find a big rag and some kind of bait for, it's for small game, squirrels, rats, maybe rabbits, but probably not so much. But squirrel, rats and other rat looking things. So I already cut them, I didn't want to make the video too long. And what you're gonna do is, one will have little angle cut on top, that one will fall into this little notch here. Just cut a little notch to hold the top pointy piece in, so it somewhat has a security in here. And now what you want to do, the whole thing is in the shape of number 4. So we're gonna make a little notch here for this part. The saw performs pretty good on this soft wood. This is not hardwood, this is pretty soft wood, but even outdoors, you want to make your life easy. You get some nice sampling that's not too hard, because for stuff like this you really don't need the hardwood. Whatever is easier for you to work with. I'm gonna make this little point, because that's gonna be probably where you're gonna stick your bait on. So what we have here is this, and now the hardest part is you have to make notch here and here to put them together. So this part is the this portion of the job is the hardest one, but it's still pretty simple to do. So we're gonna go here, here, and here. We need those two pieces of wood to stick together. Here. I have a little knot there. Hopefully that won't be a issue. They're gonna kinda lock together, like if you're connecting the wood. See, I don't wanna pry the stuff open with the blade part. Once I cut it a little bit, I can just pry it open with the screwdriver part. It's the beauty of improvising and a good multi-tool. So what we want to see now, if this will somewhat hold together, and it kinda does. And now let's hope these guys meet. Not really, so I just make a new notch right here. It's gonna be pretty easy. Let me see if I can just cut it, since this is soft wood. Does this go together now? Yep, pretty good. Good. And let me show you now how you set it up. It should hopefully work. So let's pretend this is our rack. Put the number 4 together again to the you have to play a little bit with the balance. Play a little bit with the balance. And you know, you have your bait right here on the bottom of the trap. And if something comes along, you know, we'll want to try to take the bait off. Of course, I set up a little hard, but you know, you will play with the sensitivity of the trigger, of the balance of the rack, to get the right amount of the, you know, how much you have to touch it, the trap to go off, and how much you need it to be solid, so it won't go down on itself. It's pretty easy to set up. You can see you can set up the, you know, you cut the notches pretty fast. So I think it's the easiest trap. You know, the small game is always easier to hunt, especially if you don't have a guns and stuff like that, if you're not skilled hunter, and you just, you know, follow some kind of paths, and you know, set that underneath the trees where you can see some leftovers from squirrels and rats, and you know, there you go. It might just help you one day, you never know. Hope you enjoyed it, guys. Take care, stay safe out there, and remember, don't cut yourself.